Hello, today we're taking an in-depth look at Bitget, one of the leading platforms for derivative trading according to CoinMarketCap. The platform is equally convenient for both beginners and experienced traders, a simple mobile interface combined with an advanced set of tools. What we'll cover in the video: step-by-step registration and verification process, how to fund your account and start trading, spot and futures, earning methods, copy trading, automated bots, and launch pools. All about the BGB token and staking options for passive income. By using the link in the description, you can receive enhanced bonuses upon registration, up to $8,000. To activate the offer, register through our link with your email and password and enter the promo code. About the Bitget platform. Bitget is one of the most significant cryptocurrency exchanges, ranking in the top 5 for derivative trading volumes according to CoinMarketCap. One of its key advantages is optional KYC verification, allowing you to start trading quickly without unnecessary formalities. Although this might limit trading and withdrawal limits, Bitget offers a wide range of earning opportunities: spot and futures trading, margin trading with leverage, copy trading, trading bots, as well as launchpads and launch pools for investing in new tokens. The exchange has its own token, BGB, which has more than doubled in value over the past year, providing users with additional bonuses like commission discounts. The platform features an intuitive interface and 24/7 support. To start using Bitget, you need to register. The process is so simple that even beginners can complete it in a couple of minutes. Click our partner link in the description to receive bonuses up to $10,000. You'll be redirected to the official Bitget website, where you need to click register. In the form that appears, enter your email and create a strong password. Then you'll receive an email with a confirmation code. Enter it in the required field on the site to activate your account. After registration, you can immediately start using the exchange since KYC verification is not mandatory. However, to access all features, including increased withdrawal limits, it is recommended to complete verification. Without verification, the withdrawal limit is 20,000 USDT per day. With verification, the limit increases to 3 million USDT per day and access to promotions and launch pools is unlocked. To complete verification, log into your account and find the KYC section in your profile settings. You will need to upload an identity document such as a passport or driver's license. Then take a selfie following the system prompts. Submit your information for review and within 20 minutes you will receive confirmation. After this, your account will be fully verified. Imagine having a personal assistant who monitors the market around the clock, scans charts, filters news, and tracks the actions of major players. We've developed such an AI assistant, and it's exclusively available for our referrals. Register on Bitget using the partner link in the description and join our Telegram channel for detailed instructions, signals, and analyses in real time. By the way, you're currently communicating with an AI avatar. It explains, engages, and helps make decisions, and I'm doing this quite well. Deposits and withdrawals on Bitget. To start trading on Bitget, you need to fund your account. To do this, go to the wallet section on Bitget's homepage and select deposit. Ways to fund your account. First method, cryptocurrency deposit. Select the coin for deposit, such as USDT, and choose the TRC20 Tron network. Bitget will provide you with a wallet address. Click Copy. In your external wallet or on another exchange, select Withdraw. Paste the copied address, choose the TRC20 network, enter the amount, and confirm the transfer. Wait a few minutes for blockchain confirmation. Check the balance in the wallet section to ensure USDT has been credited. Second method, P2P deposit. Go to the P2P section and select Buying USDT. Specify your local currency and bank, then enter the amount. The system will provide a list of merchants with their statistics, number of trades success rate, filter by amount to find a suitable merchant. Choose a merchant with a high success rate, like 90% plus. Click Buy and follow the instructions. Transfer the money through your banking app using the provided details. After payment, click I have paid, and within a few minutes, USDT will be credited to your P2P account. Using online exchangers. Follow the link to Best Change. Use a VPN if the site is unavailable in your country. It's an aggregator of verified exchangers. Choose your local currency for payment and the desired cryptocurrency to receive, like USDT TRC20. Review the list of exchangers, their reserves, and reviews. On the exchanger's side, specify how much USDT you want to receive, paste your crypto wallet address, and enter contact details. The site will show payment details for sending money. The exchange typically takes 5 to 30 minutes. After completion, the cryptocurrency will appear in your exchange account. Withdrawing funds. Go to Wallet, Withdraw. Select the coin, such as USDT, and choose the TRC20 network. Enter the wallet address where you want to withdraw funds. The system will show the network fee, usually $1 for TRC20. Confirm the operation by entering the code received via email. Wait for the transaction to process, which usually takes a few minutes. You can also withdraw funds via P2P or an online exchanger by following the same steps as for depositing, but in reverse order. Before diving into trading, quickly support the channel, like this video, leave any comment, and subscribe. Done? Excellent, let's continue. Now that your Bitget account is funded, you can start trading. The platform offers two main types: spot and futures trading. Spot trading is the primary method of buying and selling cryptocurrencies, where you exchange one coin for another at the current market price or a set price. Ensure funds are in your spot account. If the money is in another account, like P2P or futures, transfer it via wallet. Transfer, selecting the spot account. Go to Trade, Spot, and choose a trading pair, such as BTC USDT, which means buying or selling Bitcoin for USDT. In the center of the screen is the price chart, on the right is the buy-sell form, and below is the order book with other traders' orders. Choose the type of order, market order, buy or sell at the current price. The trade is executed instantly. Limit order, specify your desired buy or sell price, and wait for the market to reach this price. After purchasing, check your balance in wallet to ensure your USDT has decreased and Bitcoin has been added. To sell Bitcoin, return to trade. Spot, select BTC USDT. Click Sell, choose Market, enter the amount, and confirm. Futures trading involves contracts tied to the value of cryptocurrency, but you do not receive the actual coins. Instead, you earn from changes in their price. Futures allow for high leverage up to 125. Transfer funds via wallet. Transfer to the futures account, USDTM. Go to trade futures and select a pair such as BTC, USDT. Choose the type of margin, isolated margin, risk only the amount invested in the trade, cross margin, risk the entire balance of the futures account. Beginners are recommended to use isolated margin, specify the leverage, for example 10x. The higher the leverage, the greater the potential profit and risk. Determine the direction, long, bet on the price going up, short, bet on the price going down. Choose the type of order, market, trade at the current price, limit. Specify the desired price and the trade will open automatically when it is reached. It's important to remember that with isolated margin, you risk only the amount invested in the trade. If the market moves against you and approaches liquidation, the position may be closed unless additional funds are added. With cross margin, the system can add funds from the overall balance to support the position, increasing the risk of losing the entire balance in a strong market movement. After opening a trade, you can set a stop loss to limit losses and a take profit to lock in profits. Futures do not involve owning real coins. They are contracts that cannot be transferred to a wallet. High leverage can lead to significant profits as well as losses. Beginners are recommended to start with leverage of 5x 10x. Bitget provides a wide range of earning tools suitable for both beginners and experienced traders, including copy trading, trading bots, launchpads, launch pools, candy bomb, poolx, pre-market, and staking through the earn section. Copy trading allows you to earn by replicating trades of experienced traders without needing to analyze the market yourself. Go to the copy trading section on the Bitget homepage and choose between spot and futures copying. Review the list of traders with their statistics: ROI, return on investment, P&L, profit loss, number of followers, experience, and percentage of successful trades. Use the hide full filter to view traders with available spots. Select a trader, study their statistics, and click follow. Enter the amount for copying. Transfer funds to the required account and set parameters. Trading pairs, stop loss, and take profit. Enable auto preview to copy new pairs. Confirm settings in the My Traders section. Trading bots automatically buy and sell cryptocurrency according to a set strategy. Go to the trading bots section in the Trade Spot menu. Choose a strategy such as dividing funds for trading within a specified price range. Select a trading pair and set parameters: price range, number of grids, and investment amount. Confirm the creation of the bot. Monitor the bot's performance in the strategies section. Launchpads and launch pools allow investment in new crypto projects at early stages. Launchpad. Invest USDT or other coins in new projects and receive tokens at the starting price. Go to the Launchpad section on Bitget. Choose a project, specify the amount, and confirm participation. Tokens will be credited to your spot account after listing. Launch pool. Lock USDT, BTC, or BGB and earn new tokens as yield. Select a project, specify the amount and staking period. Tokens are credited automatically. Check your balance in wallet. Candy bomb. Earn tokens for free by completing tasks such as registration and trading. Poolx. Stake coins and earn income in the form of tokens, similar to a launch pool. Pre-market allows trading tokens before they are released on the spot market. Go to the pre-market section on Bitget. Choose a token and trade it using market or limit orders. After listing, tokens will be available for sale or transfer on the spot market. These tools on Bitget help users effectively manage investments and earn from various opportunities in the crypto market. The BGB token is the platform's native token, offering benefits such as commission discounts and participation in various promotions. You can purchase BGB on the spot market using the BGB USDT pair. Use the token for fee payments and participation in launch pools or poolx. The earn section on Bitget allows you to earn passive income by locking cryptocurrency and receiving interest. Types of staking. Flexible staking. You lock coins such as USDT with an annual yield of about 10%. Funds can be withdrawn at any time, offering flexibility in asset management. Fixed staking. Lock your coins for a set period, like 30 days, to receive higher returns. Setting up staking. Go to the Earn section on Bitget's homepage. Choose a coin like USDT and decide on the staking type, flexible or fixed. Enter the amount you want to invest and confirm the operation. Earnings are credited automatically and you can check your balance in wallet as spot. If you've watched up to this point and haven't liked the video yet, go back and fix that. Support the video with one click. Support and education on Bitget. Bitget provides support through standard channels, including an online chat on the website and a contact form in your account. If you have questions about trading, funding your account, or setting up bots, you can reach out to support via the help section on the homepage. To assist users in mastering the platform, Bitget offers tutorial videos on its YouTube channel. These videos cover essential functions like setting up copy trading, launching trading bots, utilizing P2P trading, and futures trading. For example, you'll find video guides on how to choose a trader for copy trading or set up a martingale bot for the ETH USDT pair. To access these, go to Bitget's YouTube channel through the link in the help section or find it independently. Bitget's affiliate program allows you to invite new users to the platform. To participate, register using the partner link provided in the description to activate this feature. After registration, you will receive your referral link, which you can share with friends or followers. When someone registers through your link and starts trading, you will earn bonuses based on their activity. To activate the affiliate program, log into your account, find the referral program section, and copy your unique link to share on social media and messengers. Bitget offers a convenient mobile app that allows you to trade, manage accounts, and utilize all exchange features directly from your smartphone. It is available for both iOS and Android platforms and supports both night and day modes for comfortable use at any time of day. Installation. Download the Bitget app from the App Store for iOS or Google Play for Android. Install it on your smartphone. Login. Enter the app using the email and password you registered with on the website. Interface. On the main screen, you'll find sections. Trade for spot and futures trading, Wallet for managing funds, copy trading for mirroring trades, trading bots for automating trading processes, and Launchpad for participating in new crypto projects. These features make the Bitget app a powerful tool for traders, allowing them to manage investments and trade on the go. Now that you've mastered using Bitget on your smartphone, let's wrap up. Share in the comments what impressed you the most: the app's convenience, trading tools, copy trading, or something else. If the video helped you understand things better, give it a like. It motivates us to create even more valuable content. Subscribe to our Telegram channel. There, an AI assistant posts trading signals, analyzes major players' movements, and provides timely market reviews. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episodes.